Have you ever thought about forming a partnership? In this video, we'll discuss partnership agreements and how to use them to form a robust and legal partnership. So what is a partnership? A partnership is a business structure where two or more persons come together with a view to make a profit and carry on a business. There are three main kinds of partnerships in the UK, and you can learn about them in the video linked in the description below. In this video, we'll focus on the general partnership. So, how do you form a general partnership? Interestingly, a general partnership is actually formed automatically as soon as the definition of the partnership is met. That means that so long as there are two or more persons that come together to carry on a business with the view to make a profit, a partnership is formed. There are no fees to pay or any forms to fill out. And that is why sometimes people don't even know that they are part of a partnership. For this, we always recommend anyone who's looking to get into a business with another person to have a strong and legally binding partnership agreement in place. Before we talk about the partnership agreement, let me introduce myself. I'm Malcolm Zoppi, a qualified solicitor and the managing director of GZ Legal. GZ Legal is a boutique corporate and commercial law firm, and we specialize in drafting commercial contracts and conducting corporate work. Okay, so partnership agreements obviously help you identify and clarify the expectations of each of the partners, but there are certain elements that you should include in every partnership agreement. Number one, you'll want to identify exactly what duties each of the partners have. You'll want to specify how much capital each of the partners are to contribute to that business. We'll want to specify how profits are to be distributed, whether it's equally or, for example, in proportion to the amount of capital that the partners have invested. We'll want to specify how much liability each of the partners are taking on. And finally, what happens if a partner wants to leave or passes away. A partnership agreement brings certainty and minimizes the risks of any disputes arising. If you want to avoid issues and you're getting into a partnership, make sure to have a partnership agreement in place that was professionally drafted by a solicitor. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the rest of the channel, which covers a range of legal issues that are relevant for small businesses in the UK. Also, if you're interested in a free legal advice call, visit our website, which is linked in the description below.